A lot of us in the world right now are under orders to stay at home. So a lot of drone pilots are flying little tiny whoops around their houses or indoors. What are the RC guys doing? Guys, I'm going to show you how to have some fun with your RC car and drive it up and down the street in your neighborhood while staying at home. For my RC guys out there, what they call an FPV is to take like a GoPro, a big GoPro style camera like this, and attach it to the top of the car, or some are using smaller GoPros like the Hero 5 Session and attaching it to the top of the car. I'm going to show you how to FPV a car like a drone pilot would do, and we're not talking a big camera like this or a camera like this or even the Mobius like that. We're going to do this with a small micro 5.8 gigahertz FPV camera, guys, and a little camera like this costs around $16. The camera's going to be powered by one cell battery with the micro lossy connector on it, guys. And here on my big rock, you can see I have a Velcro attachment for the camera. I also have another Velcro attachment for the battery. And you'll also need a set of goggles, 5.8 gigahertz FPV goggles, guys. These are goggles that drone pilots use. I have here the FXT Viper goggles. I highly recommend a set of these for drone pilots or FPV RC drivers. These goggles are designed for old heads like me that wear glasses. I can fit my eyeglasses in these goggles as well, guys. I reviewed that a long time ago on the channel. I'll put a link in the description. But guys, this is a real simple setup. I'm using an AKK BA2 camera, and this is one brand new right out of the box. This camera, and you'll need a credit card or you know, one of those credit card offers or cards you get in the mail all the time. I usually throw them away. I saved one, and you cut a little piece of the credit card about the size of the base of the camera. Lay a bit of hot glue on there, let the camera set, and put your Velcro on the other side of the credit card, because you don't want to attach this camera. You can see it has an opening in the middle there. You don't want to attach this camera directly to your Velcro, although some guys do. I suggest putting it on a bed of hot glue, which you can see here on mine, and that's what you're going to get. With the Velcro attachment like this, just a little piece of Velcro, guys, you can easily swap and switch this camera from car to car to car. I have Velcro attachment on all of my cars. And a shout out to my man Sleeping Bear, one of the subscribers on the channel and my YouTube buddy. When I was doing a video recently of the Arrma Creighton, his first question was, have I FPV'd it yet? I was like, hell yeah. Guys, this could be a lot of fun. I took the Big Rock crew cab out earlier this morning and sat on my front porch and ran this thing up and down the sidewalk and had a blast, guys. One last thing I want to add about the goggles, guys. If you do plan on buying a setup like this, goggles are cheap, but get your set of cheap goggles and make sure it has a built-in DVR. I can record the video. It's not going to be GoPro quality, but it sure is a hell of a lot of fun sitting on your porch and driving up and down the sidewalk, and the people can't even see who's driving the car, guys. And one last tip and reminder, turn your throttle limiter down. You don't want this thing flipping over on that antenna. These little cameras are fragile, and like I said, they're only 15 or 16 bucks, so I usually buy 3 or 4 of them at a time. I have spares. If you break that antenna, micro soldering on this bad boy is very, 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 very difficult to do. Let's take a ride with the big rock, guys. Pow! I'm out of here.